on today, and Bunny does. Well, you all know that I love cheese, so today I'm going to be trying some cheese with this blindfold on, and so is Bunny. So let's get into it. This is the first cheese. This cheese is a yummy cheese. What cheese is this? It tastes like burger cheese.
It is.
Yummy burger cheese. This is cheese number 2. This cheese is yummy. I don't really know much cheese, but this cheese is really nice. I don't know what cheese it is though.
It's smoked cheese.
I like smoked cheese. It's not very smoky though. It's still yummy. Time for round 3. I'm ready for my next cheese. Cheese number 3. This tastes exactly like the normal cheese that I have grated.
No.
Well, it tastes like grated anyway.
Well, it is.
Is it the normal cheese we have?
Yeah.
That's what I just said.
I
I'm
know.
right. I really am excited for cheese number 4. I don't know what cheese this is. What cheese is it?
It's feta.
Huh?
Feta.
Oh. Okay.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
Time for round 5.
Yeah. Cheese number 5. Don't like this cheese. Spicy cheese. I need a drink. I think this cheese is called spicy cheese.
Yeah.
And I didn't like it either. Time for round 6. Time for cheese number 6. I know what cheese it is. It's the squirty cheese that I had when I went to Disneyland.
No.
Well, it's yummy. Bunny can eat it out of my mouth.
Do you want me to tell you what it is?
Yeah.
It's Philadelphia.
What?
No. Dairy.
Oh, that one that I saw in the fridge
Yeah.
with a cow on it.
Yeah.
Okay, I know what it is now. I think time for round 7. Cheese number 7. This cheese is like dry cheese. I still like it though, but I don't know what cheese it is.
Do you want me to tell you what cheese it is?
Yeah.
It's mozzarella.
I like this. Yummy. For the final cheese number 8. I don't know what cheese this is.
Do you like it?
Not really.
Do you want to know what cheese it is?
Yeah.
It's mouldy cheese.
Uh,
Well, blue cheese.
I've never tried blue cheese before.
No? Now you have.
I need a drink now. My favourite cheese was the mozzarella cheese by here. My least favourite cheese was the blue cheese and the spicy cheese. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like, and if you want to comment, go to gmail.com and type in cheesyfun7@gmail.com. So thanks for watching. Stay cheesy, fans. Bye.